This video is going to introduce some basic functions used by common spreadsheet applications. First of all, let's have a look at our data set. As we can see, on Wednesday, Laurent sold 3 products, making $300 profit for his company. Show sold 3 products on Tuesday, making $360 profit for his company. What we'd like to do today is look at some summary data related to this data set. In fact, I'm just going to drag this over here so we can see it quite clearly. So first of all, we're going to calculate the total number of sales. We're going to sum all of these numbers. This is how to do it in common spreadsheet applications. To do a calculation, start with the equal sign and then decide how you want to do the calculation. What we could do is simply select a cell and add the contents of another cell, and just repeat that process for every cell that you want to include in the calculation, and you will get your result. So there is one example of a calculation using common spreadsheet applications. However, spreadsheet applications are very smart, and they offer us an opportunity to use functions. Again, let's do a calculation starting with the equal sign. This time we're going to use a function called sum. After the name of the function, bring in a round bracket and then select all of the data that you want to sum. We also want to calculate the total profit. Again, we're going to sum all of these numbers. So let's use the sum function again. I'm going to select all of the data that I want to work with, close the bracket, and enter. The maximum profit, we're going to use a function called the max function. Now the maximum profit is going to be somewhere in this range of data, so let's select that range of data and enter. The minimum profit, as you can guess, we're going to use a function called min. We open the bracket, we select the range of data that we want to work with, D2 to D9. The average profit, we're going to use a function called, let's just start typing it and see if we can find it, there it is, average. The average profit is going to be the average of this range of data here. And enter. And let's just format this to be 0 decimal places. And that is how to use basic functions in common spreadsheet applications.